Fraction means broken. Now, what is fraction in mathematics? A fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. Whole means a full portion. Here is a circle. This circle we mathematically express 1. When I divided it into equal two parts, we will write each two parts as half. This is half portion and this is another half portion. Here two half portion makes 1. We are telling this number fraction. We mathematically express or represent broken things, equally broken things with a number, and this number looks like that. And again, if I divide this circle into equal 4 parts, it will be looks like this, and each of parts we will call 1/4, and 4 1/4 makes 1 full. So fraction is a way of writing numbers that are not whole. Here we will call 1/2 or half, or 2 parts of 1 part. There are two numbers in fraction numbers. Upper top number is called numerator and lower number is called lower, or bottom number is called denominator. I am again telling, upper number or top number is called numerator, bottom number or lower number is called denominator. Numerator represents how many equal parts are taken from whole, and denominator shows total divisible numbers or equal parts. How to write shaded part mathematically? First we have to draw a horizontal line. Then how many shaded parts? 1. And total part 4. We will write total part in bottom, and we want to express only this portion, and this is 1 from 4. Out of 4, this is 1. That's why I am writing 1 here. Again, observing this, total part, total equal part 4, and shaded part 1 2. That's why I am writing 2 here. In these two fractions, 1 represents the taken part is 1, and total divided part is 4. Here second part is 2, that's why numerator is 2, and total part is 4, that's why denominator 4. Can we tell this 1 by half? These are total 2 parts and 1 part is coloring. No, this is not a fraction. Why? We can't express it 1 by half because this portion and this portion is not equal dividing. When the parts of the whole are unevenly divided or not equally divided, they don't form fraction. So these 3 are not fractions. Here, first one is you have to shade half. I have shaded half. Then next is you have to shade 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means you have to shade full portion. I have shaded 2 by 2 means full portion. Next question is shade 1 by 3. Here 3 parts, I have to shade only 1 part. I have shaded 1/3. As like this, you have to shade all the figures. In this question, you have to identify or express colored part into fraction. 2, 3. Total 3 equal parts. That's why I am writing 3 here. As a denominator, I am writing 3. Then color part 1. That's why numerator will be 1. Here total equal part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why denominator will be 6 and color part 1 and 2. That's why numerator will be 2. The fraction will be 2 by 6.